Well, guys and girls, the time has finally come. It feels like I've been waiting for this forever. I feel like a school kid at Christmas. It really feels like I've been waiting forever. It's been such a fun thing to have the anticipation of this, to hear about it on the Nintendo launch, to eagerly anticipate the pre-orders, and then the countdown begins until the day it arrives. It has been a really enjoyable process chatting with you guys about what it would be like potentially, finding out about all the features. It's been a really good ride and I'm so happy and excited to see it finally drop on my doorstep today. So all that's left to do is to crack it open and unbox it with you guys. You ready? Let's dive in. You know what? They've done a great job with this box art. It really does look good. Loads of detail in this. It's got this glossy, shiny plastic outer. And as you can see, if I move it around, a lot of this stuff is actually on the outside, which is pretty cool. If I turn it around here on the back, you can see the different games it comes with. Super Mario Brothers, Super Mario Brothers 2, and then the original ball type of game. And then the time you can see in the cool Super Mario Brothers fonts as well, which is awesome. And some of the usual symbols at the ends. This side, Game & Watch, color screen, Super Mario Brothers. And this, the usual stuff, barcodes and informations. Right, we've got a little sticky label on either end, so I'll cut one of those open and we can slide them out. There we go. Here we go, the momentous occasion. Ta-da! So there we can see what was on the outside of the plastic. And that is the actual cardboard box. Usual sort of instructions with the health and safety information. We have a USB to USB-C charging cable. That's how we're going to charge it. And it's got this thin cardboard surround. Then here it is. Would you look at that? Oh yes. The rubber buttons have a very similar feel to the original ones. D-pad feels really nice. That feels quality. These feel good. They feel very similar to the originals. Really nice. I love the color of the red as well. Real deep red. This is nice. As you can see, it's the USB-C charging point. That's your power button by the looks of it. It's really nice. I'm really blown away by this. This is even better than I was hoping. It's really good quality. Feels nice in the hand. Feels really good quality. They've done a great job with this. Let's grab one of my other Game & Watches. This is the original Snoopy. Yeah. They weigh about the same. Exactly the same size. Yeah. Absolutely bang on identical. Shape and everything is exactly the same. Wow, they've really done a good job with this. Hope. Right, let's press the button, see what happens. Oh, yes. That screen's amazing. You're probably not going to get how nice that screen is over the camera. That screen is beautiful. It says press the time button. Okay, I will. Oh my word. That looks so good. That screen. I can't get over that screen. That is beautiful. Wowza. If you keep pressing the time button, it's scrolling through different backgrounds. That is so cool. If you press the game, it lets you select the different games. Of course, we're going to have to select Super Mario Brothers. Oh, yes. I'm super stoked with this, guys. Oh my word. Ha. Oh wow. This is amazing. Wow. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, let's have a quick look at the ball game now. Looks suitably basic. I think they could have chosen a different game. I don't know why they wouldn't have used the maybe the Super Mario Brothers game, the conveyor belt game. But anyway, it's a bit of a bonus thing anyway. So there we have it. I'm super impressed with that. I think for the price of £44, or I don't know what it was, $50 was it in the US? You've got to be happy with that. It's a quality piece of kit, highly collectible, great fun to actually use and play. Beautiful, bright, vivid screen. Something you can play, enjoy, and collect at the same time. I think they've absolutely nailed it with this one. And let's just hope they continue this and bring out some more, because this, they've really knocked out of the park. So for a first look, guys, I think it gets a massive thumbs up from me. If you've enjoyed this quick look at the Super Mario Brothers Game & Watch, a quick unboxing and a quick look, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Game & Watch videos to come. I've got a lot more retro ones to review and go through with you guys, so if you're into that sort of thing, I'd enjoy your company for that as well. I'll do some more videos about this one coming up as well, because there's some interesting rumours on the grapevine about what could be done with this. There's definitely some progress with hacking it and adding more games to it, but right now we will leave it here. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you again very soon on the next video. Bye for now.